First look at the 1952 Eureka Chieftain Landau side loader. Here's what's left of the driver door frame. Yummy. Moose is looking for a mouse or something. Should we scare him? Whoops! Just kidding, buddy. Just kidding. I'm a dick. This table rolls pretty nice, actually. There's a hawk feather right there. All 4 hubcaps. Everything up here seems to be in order. I wonder what these are. Radio delete. We got our map light. 21,000 original miles, I hope. Representing. Not much of a headliner left. It was gray in the middle and burgundy on the sides. I think I'm gonna do burgundy with a cream in the middle. That might look nice. What do you think, Moose? What say you? No comment. So these door hinges are ultra fucked. Since the frame is wood and all rotted out, I'm surprised this is not sitting on there. But the closer you get it to closing, the more it wants to sag. This is interesting. It had curtains. Here's your top rod, and then a bottom rod. But it also has a little courtesy blind that you pull up and down. I just put those in the garage. There's not much left to them, but the rolls are there. Stuck. I guess this would help. What the fuck? I don't know where that came from. But yeah, got some tassels. Here's a piece of the courtesy blinds. It's like, it looks like leather, but it's not. It's like it almost feels like oilcloth. I don't know what the name of that stuff is, but oh, cool. Okay, I think it's time for a dust mask. Right, Moose? Right.